Hello everyone, my name is Tim O'Hare. I'm the President and CEO of the New York Blower Company, and I'd like to present to you today an update on our operational capabilities, specifically as it relates to our lead times and how we can serve our customers. In order to do that, we need to look back at where we've been the last couple of years. Our lead times in the spring of 2020 were at our historically low levels. Small configured order fans were shipping in 3 weeks, large configured order fans were shipping in 7 weeks, and our fiberglass fans were shipping in 8 weeks. Heading into the early summer of 2020, we saw a significant decline in order intake as a recession seemingly was taking hold. However, in the fall of 2020, we came out of that recession at a rapid clip. Order intake went to historic levels almost immediately, and frankly, we weren't prepared for that change. As a result, our lead times were extended well beyond our historical norms. Essentially, everything that came into our factory was being shipped in 17 weeks. Despite our best efforts, that continued into early 2022. However, we have turned the corner in the last several months. As of April of 2023, our lead times are getting much closer to our historical levels that we experienced in 2020. Small fans are shipping in the 3-week time frame, larger fans are at 7 weeks, and fiberglass fans are at 8 weeks. So how did we get there? Well, it's through a lot of hard work from the New York Blower team. The biggest factor is we've increased the number of workers we have in our factories by over 60%. Secondarily, we added a second shift in all of our facilities. Those two things combined with an engineering team that answered the call to ensure that our factories have the necessary resources to ensure they can ship fans in a timely fashion. To accomplish that, we relied on something that we've been building at New York Blower for the last 25 years. To give you a little bit of history here, New York Blower is a 134-year-old company. For the first 110 years of our existence, we manufactured primarily in LaPorte, Indiana. We've added on to our campus there over the years, but that was our geographical center of our manufacturing operation. In 2002, we saw a shift in the manufacturing industry in the United States and saw a need to branch out to other locations. We opened our first facility in Effingham, Illinois in 2002, and that allowed us to shift capacity to that facility and move into another labor pool. In 2012, we opened another facility in Litchfield, Kentucky. In 2017, we built onto an existing facility in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. In 2022, we opened yet another facility in Philadelphia, Mississippi, that we share with our lumber kiln business, KDS Windsor. That facility has just come online. Our first fan shipped from there in late April of 2023. So what does that get for us? Well, we can build every product that we sell at New York Blower in at least 2 facilities, and some of them 3. So for example, the 78-inch backward inclined fan behind me is manufactured in 3 locations: LaPorte, Indiana, Effingham, Illinois, and Newcastle, Pennsylvania. So there is a consistency across all of our factories that ensures that all New York Blower fans are built to the same standards, regardless of what factory they come from. Thank you for watching this video today. I'd like to thank our employees and sales representatives for their hard work to get us to this point. It has been nothing short of amazing. I want to thank our customers for their patience over the last 2 years. We learned a lot of hard lessons, and we don't intend to repeat them, and we'll do everything we can to make sure we take care of your needs going forward. And finally, to any new customers out there, I want you to know that we're ready, we're geared up, we can handle your business, and if I can go back to my sales management days, I'm asking you for your order. Thank you very much.